This is the DJI Mic 2. Does it sound good to you? Because the next shot, what I'm going to do is quickly speak before the mic comes on. This is the DJI Mic 2 off. As you see, no lights. Test 1, 2, 3. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. If you're interested in the gear I use, it's down below in the description. And I'll maybe mention it in the video as well. Today we're shooting with the Pocket 3 by DJI, the Osmo series. And I'm on a bicycle called the Cannondale Adventure 2. I hold my camera for the reasons of, this is not a bicycle camera where you mount it onto the steering wheel. Because as you see me bouncing around, what's going to happen is you're going to cause vibration to the motor. And it's not going to function way down the road. You're going to break your camera eventually. Well, for me, that is, I'm saying. If you want to mount it to the bike, be my guest. And where would be the best part for it? On the fork of your bicycle, on the handlebar of your bicycle, because you have a shock absorber on it. Gimbals started to come out back in the days of the Phantom series drones. And they put shock absorbers on the frame of those gimbal bases. They make bicycle mounts. They make absorbers. They look like little barrels, blue, red, green, different colors for different shock absorbers. And they cushion and absorb. And that would be something where, for me, that I need riding on the boardwalk, absorbers. So yeah, here I am. Gonna take some time, share some video with you. And the thing I don't use is selfie face track. The smartphone, grab it on out, set it on up for the reasons of I gotta watch my surroundings. If you could only see the bird that was right next to me. Getting on out of here. Get on my bike and ride on out. Ooh, I had a little trouble kicking my kickstand up. Oh, I gotta turn around. Somebody's taking my camera. They're running away with it. You know, you watch people's videos. They don't show, these parts right here where they come here. They grab the camera and they run away. What happened? Why'd you switch? I guess because I crashed it. Look, I'm pressing and pressing and pressing. This is an area where I got the audio, just not artificial noise reduction. Not many people love it, but I have to use it because there's so much noise that you cannot imagine. I'm getting on out of here. I'm just gonna ride on down, forget about you. Hey, come back, pick me up, please. Catch the pigeons fly. And that's what I would love to do. I would love to, just do a nice bike ride, placing my camera without worrying about leaving it behind and all. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I haven't used, put the torchlight feature, spin it around. Not really a good gadget for me for the reasons of. It doesn't go any further than it can. And you really want to keep on spinning and spinning, wouldn't you? I'm riding between. This way you get an idea of what it looks like. Yeah. Ever watch some movies? And here we are. Look at this. Get to see all the concession stands they have over here. You have back over here the bumper cars, El Dorado. And that was a scene that they used right there. Oh, for rent, Operator's Island. So we'll continue on. Right on through. Oh, bumps on the road. Oh, that hurt. So you get an idea what I was talking about. Put that on the gimbal on the bike. You're going to be shaking all over. Not like it used to be anymore. Well, I got to cut on out, make my turn, get on out. Warriors, come out and play. Oh yeah, I did that video years ago. Yeah, I sure did. I did that talk like that years ago. You know, I still can't find it. I come back here every time looking and looking for my Fuel Lane X5 mic muff. Just disappeared. It got up and left. Maybe one day at a show. The Groucho Marx eyebrow, that is. They have to test every single ride out to make sure it passes inspection each and every day. You want to hop on? They got a free seat for you. My wall is done. My mural's done. One large fish aquarium, sharks, whales, turtles, you name it. Oh yeah, man. I wasn't close enough or soon enough. I can see the guy exercising. I had a good time sharing my story, telling you like it is. And I'm heading on back. Hopefully I'll make it back on time. I do got to answer a couple of emails, check out some things, and start getting things going. Yeah, it's going to be one of those nice days where I don't want to be locked inside. So down the road, pretty soon, I'm going to have some stuff. So check it on out. Come on back. You never know what I got. Well, I had my fun, my share, my ride, my talk. You got it. I'm heading on back. Did I say that before? I am Fish. It's been a pleasure riding with you, or you riding with me, and me sharing those stories. Time to put you in the pocket, as wise as a Pocket 3. I'll catch up many other vids to come.